Alright, so we started the motor and it ran fine, started right up, ran nice and smooth, pressure went right up to 50, so everything's going good with the motor. And now we got the subframe assembly from Iron Rock Offroad, the front long arm kit. It's just finger tight right now, how they say to do in the instructions. And we're getting ready to bolt it on using the original bolts for here and here. And then once it's bolted on, we leave everything loose. We'll drill all 4 of these out for the hardware they supply, and then we'll mount it under here to the frame, and we just wire wheeled it right now so we can apply some undercoating like it says to do in the instructions. So gonna do that right now, and then that'll let us take this jack out from underneath the Jeep, so overnight it can actually sit on the new subframe, and then we'll tackle the long arms tomorrow.